In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks on Clickup, the versatile tool designed to streamline your work processes. First, let's head over to Clickup's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in clickup.com. As you land on the homepage, take a moment to notice Clickup's inviting interface, designed to enhance productivity with its array of features aimed at optimizing your workflow. Next, locate the login button. It's usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Now, if you've already integrated Clickup with your Google account, the easiest way to proceed is to click on Sign in with Google. This feature not only saves time but also keeps all your Google linked data seamlessly synced. When you click Sign in with Google, a new window will pop up prompting you to choose your account. If you have multiple accounts linked to your browser, ensure you select the appropriate one associated with your Clickup profile. This step is critical to avoid confusion later on and to ensure the tasks you assign are linked correctly to your intended account. Once you're signed in, you'll navigate to your dashboard. This is the central hub where all your projects and tasks reside. Here, look for the task you want to assign. These tasks are generally listed in various folders or lists based on how you or your team have organized your workspaces. To assign a task to a teammate, find the task in your list and look for the small person icon next to it. This icon is typically used to manage assignees in Clickup. Clicking on this icon will open a sidebar or a drop-down menu with a list of team members you can assign the task to. Take a moment to consider who the most appropriate assignee would be. Maybe it's someone with expertise in a specific area, or someone who has less on their plate right now. After selecting the appropriate team member from the list, click their name to assign the task to them. It's important to confirm that the task is now showing the correct assignee. You can usually see their profile picture or initials next to the task, indicating they are now responsible for it. Remember, effective task delegation not only involves assigning tasks, but also communicating the task's objectives clearly and checking in to ensure progress is being made. This will ensure that tasks are completed efficiently and your projects run smoothly. By mastering task assignment on Clickup, you'll streamline your workflow and foster better team collaboration. So embrace this tool and watch your productivity soar.